Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make clock bigger on iPhone lock screen. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to make your lock screen clock bigger just like this, then let me show you what you need to do. First, press and hold the lock screen to edit it. So you need to unlock it first. Then go to the lock screen by swiping down from the top left. Then press and hold it. Click on customize. Now you should see the clock. Now to make the clock bigger, what you need to do is just adjust the clock like this. And once you're done, locate and click on the done button at top right. Then select the lock screen again. Now when next your iPhone screen is locked, you should see the clock as big as this. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to make clock bigger on iPhone lock screen. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.